Good morning, dear students. In today's online lecture, we are going to see the detailed syllabus of entrepreneurship and e-business as per the Gujarat Technological University. So basically, this is the elective subject as per the GTU curriculum. So it is taught in semester 6 of Mechanical Engineering branch. Its subject code is 316192. So today we are going to discuss some introductory part of this subject. Basically, the subject name is entrepreneurship and e-business. Okay. So basically, as per the previous syllabus, there was only subject entrepreneurship as an elective subject. Now, in addition, there is e-business topic is added here. Okay. So as per the syllabus, first chapter is the entrepreneurship. So in this chapter, we are going to learn concept, knowledge and characteristics of entrepreneurs. Okay, that we are going to study in this particular chapter. Second chapter is regarding starting the new venture. Means if you have to start new business, new enterprise or anything new business. So what are the different methods of generating ideas, new idea, how to solve problem solving, creativity, etc. we are going to see in this particular chapter. Third one is the functional plans, marketing plan, organizational plan and financial plans. So we are going to study regarding this, how to make this marketing plan, what are the different criteria that we are going to study to create this marketing plan. Same way organizational plan and financial planning. These both plannings, all the plannings are very important while we are starting our new business or we are going to be an entrepreneur. So this marketing plan, organizing plan and financial plans, these all are very important. Fourth one is the sources of finance and legal issues. Okay. Now if we want to start our new business, so there is a need of money there. So from where to consider this money, sources of finance, different that we are going to study in this particular chapter. And the legal issues, what are the different legal issues. Likewise, I can say that intellectual property rights, in there is a patents, trademarks, copyright, trade secrets, licensing, franchising, ये सब कैसे करते हैं वो सब पूरा हम ये legal issues वाले part में discuss करने वाले हैं. Okay, these are the 4 chapter that is related to the topic. First topic, entrepreneurship. Okay, then another second topic is the e-business. Okay, so in this particular topic of e-business, we are going to study regarding e-business, what are the different rules, how to do e-business, what are the different criteria that we are going to consider. That all things we will see in this chapter number 5, 6 and 7 basically. Okay, so this way this entrepreneurship and e-business subject will work. Basically it is the 100 mark subject. There will be only 70 marks of question paper and 30 marks of mid semester examination. No external vivas will be there in this particular subjects. Okay, so from tomorrow onwards we are going to start our first chapter, entrepreneurship. We will going to start with its concept, knowledge and skills that is requirement to become an entrepreneur. Okay, so thank you so much all for today's lecture. Please comment in comment box section for as an enrollment number for your attendance. Okay, stay safe. Thank you.